What sort of cinematic course this would be if it didn't include a lesson on
slow motion.
Let me show you how it's done in Blender. Fortunately, if you work with your scene in video editor, it's actually super easy. I have my main scene here with this sort of soccer animation. Again, all the animations are from Mixamo. And I would like to make the animation super slow once the ball is hit. Well, we can do it in the video editor, just as we learned in the previous lessons. To be able to add this scene onto a timeline and edit it, we actually have to make an empty scene here. And then you can quickly create this video editing layout. Make sure you have the same resolution and FPS here. Once that's done, add your scene strip onto the timeline. And find the moment when the foot hits the ball. Then, with the shortcut K, you can cut it. You can put this new strip onto the channel above, just to arrange it more clearly, and even give it a color. At this point, if I was to drag this edge of the strip, I would make it longer, but nothing would really happen, the video just stops here. But this is where you can add an effect strip called speed control. It gets parented under this one, so if we move it, they move together. And watch this. This time, if I drag on the side of the strip and then hit playback, the whole thing slows down beautifully. And that's really it, my friends. That's how easy it is to make slow motion using the scene setup and Blender video editor. And this is also the last tutorial of the main part of the course. What follows is the ultimate test of your skills, the final exercises. So have a good sleep, recharge and prepare your notes, and then jump in. I really can't wait to see your results.